Greetings, this is Jim Wasley, here to talk about the Emscher River Environmental Education Center, a living building for a river being reborn. This is the Emscher River. This is in the Ruhr Valley, the heart of Germany's steel country, the industrial center of Germany. This is the Emscher as it would have appeared in 1970, essentially an open sewer for an industrial region of 5 million people for the last 100 years. For the last 30 years, this river has been under a massive restoration project, the largest restoration project in Europe, resulting in projects like this, the groundbreaking Landschaftspark Duisburg Nord. This is a steel mill that is now a playground, essentially a massive landscape, park, and festival facility. And here's the Emscher Canal, rainwater, no longer polluted, growing living things. Or we could look to the Phoenix Steel Mill in Dortmund at the other end of the river. Now Lake Phoenix. This gives you some sense of the scale of this massive environmental remediation restoration project. We're going to be working here. This is the Nature Water Experience Park at Castrop-Rauxel. It is still under construction, and we are working with the EGLV. That's the regional water authority that is overseeing all of this work. Here we are at the park, and I have to explain to you that everything you see is brand new and completely man-made. I am standing on a capped landfill site holding all of the contaminated dredge that was removed to make that river valley. On the other side, we see facilities brand new for urban agriculture for the surrounding communities. So the question is this: what does it mean to educate people about nature in this context? One answer might be a living building. Our program will be a living building, will be net zero embodied energy, net zero operational energy, ecological in its stormwater management, because it is about a river system, and bioregional and biophilic in its design. For examples, we could look to the Chesapeake Bay Brock Environmental Center here by Smith Group, or the Frick Environmental Center in Pittsburgh by Bowen Swinsky Jackson, or the Swiss Ornithological Institute in Lucerne by MLZD. What's interesting to me about this building is that it's prefabricated rammed earth. Rammed earth and timber as two very low embodied energy building materials. This will be a hybrid studio. We'll meet 2 days a week in person, 1 day via Zoom, hopefully with a lot of participation from people in Germany. We will do a lot of model building. This studio will use model building, its primary creative method. And here's an additional opportunity. That's the studio. This is separate. But I am running a 2-week design charrette in Germany, funded in part by the German government. This is at the end of the semester in May and June. To participate, you sign up for Architecture 390-790 Green Building in Germany. And my offer to those who are also taking this studio, if you are doing both and can come a week early, we will spend a week touring the Ruhr Valley and presenting our work to the Emscher Genossenschaft. So I hope to see you. I will answer any questions. Please contact me. Thanks. Bye-bye.